US hunting laws feel more like comedy than rules someone tried it. Government said enough. Today, 15 real laws every hunter must know. One slip? Outlaw status. Let's laugh through the ridiculous ones. 1. Trail cameras, Arizona. Arizona bans using trail cameras to locate or help take wildlife. Hunters were basically turning the forest into a 24/7 Dear Big Brother episode. Seriously. Your deer doesn't need paparazzi, and neither do you. Real hunting means boots on the ground, not Wi-Fi on the tree. 2. Drone hunting, Oregon. Oregon says no drones for hunting or scouting. If your prey is spotted by propeller power, you're playing a video game, not hunting. Imagine a deer looking up and thinking, "Oh great, another flying spy." Yep, that's illegal now. 3. Internet hunting, Texas. Texas outlawed computer-assisted remote hunting. Couch potatoes and pajamas blasting live animals. Yeah, that's a Class B misdemeanor. If you want to hunt, get your boots dirty or stay home and play Fortnite instead. 4. Smart rifles, Colorado. Colorado leads debates on banning high-tech smart scopes that calculate wind, distance, basically aim for you, pulling the trigger on auto-calculated shots. That's cheating the chase. Skill over silicon, no robot homework allowed. 5. Swimming deer, Michigan. Michigan follows fair chase ethics, banning shots at swimming deer. It's like sniping a sitting duck, except the deer is dog paddling and judging you silently. 6. Spotlight hunting, Wisconsin. Wisconsin bans using bright lights to freeze deer. Think of Bambi stuck in headlights. That's not hunting, that's grocery shopping. Don't be that guy with a flashlight. Deer don't like flash photography either. 7. Corn as bait, Oregon. Corn is junk food for trout. Too much can harm them. Oregon says, keep fish healthy, not hooked on carbs. So no tossing popcorn into the lake and hoping for a trout party. 8. Gun fishing, Wyoming. Wyoming strictly prohibits taking fish with firearms. Shotgunning trout instead of using a rod. Yeah, maybe just hit the grocery store. Less cleanup, fewer lawsuits. 9. Live turkey decoys, Kentucky. Kentucky and others nix live turkey decoys for ethical reasons. Tying up a turkey to betray its flock? That's foul play. Use fake decoyser because no turkey wants to be Judas. 10. Bear wrestling, Alabama. Alabama says bear wrestling is a legal Class B felony. Good, because in real life, the bear always wins, and your hospital bill would be enormous. Don't be the human pancake. 11. Snowmobile chasers, Minnesota. Minnesota forbids chasing animals with snowmobiles. Deep snow slows game, horsepower makes it unfair. You're not a racer. You're a deer-killing speedster if you try. 12. Drunk fish, myth, Ohio. You've probably heard the drunk fish story in Ohio. Myth busted. Pouring beer into the water doesn't buzz the trout. It just wastes your craft IPA. Cheers to sober fish. 13. Bear selfies, Alaska. Alaska warns against waking sleeping bears for photos. If you poke a napping grizzly for Instagram, the law's the least of your worries. Nature's claws handle the rest. 14. Punt guns. Federal ban. Punt guns were 10. Shotguns killing 50100. Ducks per shot. That wasn't hunting, it was an extinction event. Thank the 1918 Migratory Bird Treaty Act for saving waterfowl. 15. Hunting from a combine, North Dakota. Hunting pheasants, mid-harvest. North Dakota says, pick farming or firing no crop duster, multitasking. Imagine juggling a scythe and shotgun. Yeah, illegal and dangerous. So, which one shocked you most? Drones, spying on deer, or bear wrestlers? Drop your answer in the comments. I read them all. If you learned something new, hit like and subscribe for Worldwide Hunting Guide.